So we filed the 10-day heads up for a default judgment, right? And I showed you guys the other day that on that paper it said, you have 10 days.
Mm-hmm.
And it said to contact your counsel immediately, whatever.
4 quarters is $2.
It is. And guess who called my attorney?
Oh my God. Who?
Brittany.
BJ?
She must have been confused. Yeah. I don't.
Wait a minute. Was it Rancher?
No, it was Brittany. It was Brittany. Brittany called my attorney, which I found to be highly inappropriate. So she left a voicemail and basically told him it's imperative that he calls her back. And he's kind of like, no, it's imperative that you get your attorney to call me.
What?
Yeah. So he emailed her and he attached Lesniak and he attached Rancher and he wrote, "Dear Miss Jackson, this office is in receipt of the voice message you left this date, October 31st, 2025. We are unsure which of the above referenced matters you wish to discuss as we are counsel for Miss Sang on both cases. Kindly note, Joseph Lesniak Esquire is your counsel in the At Night media. Based on the Pennsylvania Rules of Professional Conduct, this office cannot discuss the aforementioned matter with you because you have legal representation there too. As for the latter reference litigation, this lawsuit was initiated by this office based on a cease and desist letter drafted and sent to Miss Sang by your counsel, Rancher Harris."
Sorry, I had to mute because I didn't want to laugh over you. Oh, I love this for her so much.
To her like she's stupid. Like, please no, this is your counsel.
Which case, bitch?
Which case are you calling for?
Your lawyer's directing her back to her lawyer.
To her own lawyer.
Wow, BJ.
So then he said, "We cannot discuss the aforesaid with you because based upon our knowledge, information, belief, you are represented by counsel. If Rancher Harris Esquire is not your attorney concerning the latter reference case, you should have your retained counsel for the declaratory action contact this office directly. If you're handling it pro se, you should formally inform the court. Thereafter, you can contact this office via email. Otherwise, we cannot discuss this lawsuit with you either. Thank you for your advanced prompt attention here too." Yeah, so like, first off, what makes you think you can just ring the other counsel? Proof she's not an attorney, doesn't have an attorney.
Right. Tell us you don't have an attorney without telling us you don't have an attorney and calling yours.
Yeah, call
regarding
him on the phone.
Missing the deadline, correct?
Probably. I mean, we don't know what is.
Well, I mean, the deadline
we can only assume. Mm-hmm.
I actually really love that.
And then to say to him, it's imperative that he calls her back. Okay. So
you're gonna pay his bill, bitch? Oh yeah, right. That's right. You will eventually.
You will actually. But needless to say, so neither Lesniak nor Rancher responded on her behalf.
And I think too, it's funny that he didn't respond to the questions about the C&D either. When he was
like Rancher didn't even respond back, like, "Hey, we sent the C&D, but we don't represent her," nothing. And I asked him, "Do you expect Rancher to respond to you?" And he said no. But it's pretty much obvious now that he is not representing her. Because she would have known you don't get to call the other counsel. You just don't get to ring their phone and say it's imperative you call me back. No, it is imperative you get an attorney.
Well, maybe she shouldn't have ignored and laughed off the service when she received it the first time.
I'll respond on my own time. I'm not following Granny's time frame. Who does she think she is?
Right, I'm not on her time frame.
Right. And then here you are.
So when was this written or I'm sorry,
Halloween.
what day? On Halloween. Okay.
Mm-hmm.